Man, we have got SEESII's pole saw in a box. We fixing to bust this sucker open and see what all comes in it. I am curious myself. This is like Christmas for grown people right here. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Man, this is a box full of, man, they even give you gloves in here. Holy smokes. And safety goggles. Bam! Get that crap out of here. I mean, it looks good sitting on the tailgate of my truck, but I don't know how good it's going to be when we put it to work. I've actually got some trees right around here every time I mow. One of them's a thorn tree, and every time I mow, that sucker sticks me with a thorn, and we're fixing to use the SEESII and get rid of that. Guys, so the only thing that this didn't come with seems to be bar oil. So let's pour a little in here. It's got a thing on the side so you can see, tell how much you got in there. That's always good. Daggone. Man, I need to cut something. This is like a locust tree, and this sucker has got thorns all over it. And every single time that we mow under it, man, those things are catching you. So I'm gonna take this saw and I'm gonna get in here and work on this and see if we can't make this look a little bit better. Guys, I would say that saw made quick work of that. And if you're anything like me, my family won't mow if something touches them or they have to get off a lawnmower to move a water hose or even pick up a piece of trash. We just mow over it. But I got this clean now and I got it started. So they ought to come back and be able to mow, right? Man, let's see what else this saw can do. Look at this jumbled up mess right here. If this can fix that, it can fix anything. Will this saw make your flowers look better? No. That, yes. Definitely a problem solved. Let's see what else this saw can do. You can loosen these two screws up, and this right here tightens. That is an awesome concept, but I don't know what I did. Evidently, I let it get off pretty bad. Then once you get it tightened, you use your little wrench here. My hands are greasy and sweaty. Tighten it back up. Then we're on. Just to let you know all the work I did, still got 4 batteries. So how's that? No more limbs touching the roof. Is this thing worth the money? SEESII Power Tools. Am I saying that right? I would say that it probably is. I would say it's got a 10-inch saw. It's got two pretty good size batteries with it. It's got the pole saw extension. I actually like using it like this better than I did with the pole saw. When you put the pole saw on it, it got a little heavy when it was way up there. You may tell you where this thing's really going to come to the test. When I get off in the deer woods and I'm trying to cut trails from a tree stand up high, that I'm trying to, get limbs that have grown out through the year that I can see. And we'll do another test then. But for right now, I would say if you wanted something like this around the house, man, it's a good deal. Check it out. I'll put it in the description. In fact, I'll just put a QR code right there. Pull your phone out and scan it, and you look at the price. You check it out to see if it's something that you think you might like around your house. All right.